Surgery? Supplements? You might not need either for your knees. I know that sounds surprising, but the real secret might be a small, often overlooked muscle called the VMO. It's part of your quadriceps, tucked inside your thigh, and when it's strong, it stabilizes your knees like nothing else. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 precise exercises that awaken this tiny muscle. They're low impact, easy to do at home, and designed for anyone over 50. Even if you've struggled with knee pain or felt your legs getting weaker, these moves can restore strength and confidence in every step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to activate your VMO and help your knees support you fully again. Before we dive in, take a moment to drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to hear from you and see where our community is growing. Exercise 1. Active foam rolling. Reawaken your knee muscles. Before we focus on strengthening the VMO, we need to wake it up. For many people over 50, muscles around the knee have been asleep for years. If you've experienced knee pain, swelling, arthritis, or even long periods of inactivity, your brain often disconnects from the muscles that protect your joints, especially the VMO. Think of it like a light switch that's been left in the off position. The first exercise is active foam rolling. Unlike traditional foam rolling, this isn't just rolling around hoping it works. It's intentional, dynamic, and neurologically smart. By applying pressure to your quadriceps while actively bending your knee, you're sending a clear message to your brain. Hey, this muscle matters again. This tiny bit of motion, repeated consistently, can improve the quality of your tissue, making it more elastic, responsive, and alive. If your knees have felt stiff, tight, or stuck, this is the place to start. You'll notice smoother, easier, and more natural movement as your body begins to release tension. How to do it. Lie face down with a foam roller placed just above your knee. Slowly bend your knee while rolling. Your thigh toward your hip. Each bend engages your hamstrings while releasing tension in your quadriceps. Pause. On any tight or tender spot, breathe deeply and allow the muscle to relax. Roll for 1 to 2 minutes per leg. Do this daily for 2 weeks, then reduce to 2 to 3 times per week. This isn't just foam rolling. It's a neuromuscular reset. It's your first step to regaining control of your knees. You're not too old. Your knees aren't done. They just need to remember how to move again. Exercise 2. Prone chain activation. Reconnect your support system. If your knees hurt, the VMO isn't the only muscle that may be quiet. Pain often silences the entire support system. Glutes, hamstrings, calves, and even muscles around your shins. When one key muscle like the VMO is inactive, other muscles overcompensate. Overload happens. Imbalances form. Pain shows up. Prone chain activation hold is designed to wake up the whole support system. This low-impact exercise restores joint stability from the ground up, using what we call full chain integration. Instead of training muscles in isolation, this movement gently engages your hips, knees, and ankles together. It teaches your body to move as one coordinated, stable system. If you've experienced wobbly knees when walking, difficulty standing up from a chair, or that wobble stepping off curbs, this exercise can help. Even just 30 seconds per side, done consistently, can retrain your neuromuscular memory, reconnecting your brain and body the way they worked when you were younger. How to do it. Lie face down with your legs straight. Activate your glutes first. Fully straighten. One knee into terminal extension. Flex the ankle, toes towards shin, and hold everything. Tight for 30 seconds. Keep your shoulders, neck, and jaw relaxed. Repeat 3 times per side, alternating left and right. This movement may look simple, but its effect runs deep. You're building not just muscle, but awareness, stability, and control. It's the foundation for your next VMO-focused exercises. Exercise 3. VMO precision drill. Teach your knee to fire. Correctly, muscles work in patterns. When those patterns are disrupted, especially around the knee, problems multiply. Have you ever stood up and felt your knee collapse inward? Or taken a step and felt a slight tremble in your leg? That's not just weakness, it's a timing issue. The VMO precision drill trains your VMO to fire first, exactly as nature intended. Why is this important? The VMO acts like a steering wheel for your kneecap, If it doesn't activate first, stronger muscles like the vastus lateralis or rectus femoris can pull the kneecap out of alignment. Over time, this can cause cartilage wear, pain, and reduced range of motion. This issue is common after injury, swelling, or surgery when the brain forgets the VMO exists. The VMO precision drill brings it back to life through isolation and intentional movement. You're not just moving your leg. You're teaching your nervous system the correct firing order, improving alignment and stability. Some people feel less pain within minutes. Others notice balance improvements almost immediately. This exercise isn't about heavy lifting or high-impact moves. It's about precision, patience, and consistency. How to do it. Sit or lie down with your leg extended. Gently tighten the VMO, just above the inside of your kneecap. Keep it engaged as you slowly straighten your knee. Once fully extended, point your toes downward, plantar flex, and hold for 10 seconds. Flex your ankle upward, dorsiflex, and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times per leg, maintaining VMO activation throughout. This drill restores coordination, control, and confidence in your knees. It's intelligent, targeted, and highly effective. Exactly what recovery after 50 should look like. Exercise 4. Functional lunge with VMO focus. Strength for real life now. We bring strength into everyday movement. Having a strong muscle is only helpful if it shows up where you need it most. Walking across the kitchen, stepping off a curb, or getting out of a car. If your VMO isn't participating, other muscles compensate, which can create more pain or instability. The functional lunge with VMO focus teaches your body to integrate this muscle into upright, load-bearing movement. This isn't just a lunge, it's a reconnection exercise. You're asking your VMO to stabilize, guide, and support your movement as part of a complete system. When done correctly, this drill can rewire faulty movement patterns and restore confidence in every step. You'll notice more grounded, balanced, and controlled movement. Quality matters more than depth. Focus on awareness and precision over speed or force. I've seen clients in their 60s and 70s improve stair climbing, walking speed, and joint comfort dramatically using this single exercise. By reactivating the VMO and support system, you can feel the benefits in real life. How to do it? Begin in a split stance. 1 foot forward. Press into the front foot, especially through the ball, metatarsals. To engage your foot arch, lightly touch your VMO with your hand to ensure it's activated. Slowly rise to standing using that front leg. Hold at the top for 5 seconds, balanced and tall. Slowly return to the starting position. Repeat 4 to 6 reps per leg. With this exercise, you're not just training muscles, you're rebuilding trust in your knees. Every controlled rise and balanced hold strengthens both your joints and your confidence. You're not too old. Your muscles just needed a reminder. If you've made it this far, I want to acknowledge you. Taking the time to watch this video and do the exercises shows you're not giving into the just live with it mindset that many people over 50 accept. It shows you still believe in your body, and you should. What you've done today isn't just about your knees. You've reclaimed control over muscles that may have been silent for years. By activating the VMO, reawakening your support system, and integrating strength into functional movement, you're giving yourself the freedom to move confidently every day. Pain isn't a sentence, it's a signal. Responding with mindful movement, awareness, and consistency starts the healing process. Each step, lunge, and controlled motion strengthens your joints and restores stability. Whether you're walking your dog, playing with grandchildren, or just standing up without hesitation, every bit of strength and control matters. If this video gave you hope, information, or inspiration, leave a comment, even just a "still here," so I know you're following along. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. More real, practical solutions for stronger knees, safer movement, and healthier living are on the way. Stay strong, stay mindful, and remember, your body is always listening. Give it something worth hearing.